Now, in second lecture of salary, I discuss how to compute taxable salary. Dr. Srimati Brakha Agarwal, employed with Central Government of India, is drawing a salary of 15,000 rupees per month. Beside this, she get DNS allowance of rupees 1,500 rupees per month, entertainment allowance of rupees 1,000 rupees per month, medical allowance 500 rupees per month, city compensatory allowance rupees 250 rupees per month, tour allowance rupees 200 rupees per month, and daily allowance 200 rupees 250 rupees per day. While she was on tour for 15 days for official work, she has obtained a credit card. Total amount paid by the employer towards the membership fees, annual fees, and other expenses amount of rupees 12,000 during the previous year. The government pay her telephone bills of 5,000 rupees. She is allowed to use the video camera of the department. The camera was purchased by the department for 40,000 rupees. Compute taxable salary of Srimati Brakha for the assessment year 2020 and 21. For this, computation of taxable salary of Mrs. Brakha Agarwal for the assessment year 2019-20. Her basic salary 15,000 rupees per month. So his salary 1,80,000 rupees. DNS allowance 1,500 rupees per month. Total allowance is 18,000 rupees. Entertainment allowance 1,000 rupees per month, 12,000 rupees. Medical allowance 500 rupees per month. So total medical allowance is 6,000 rupees. City compensatory allowance 250 rupees per month. Total allowance is 3,000 rupees. Tour allowance 200 rupees. This allowance given for official purpose, so it is exempt. Daily allowance 250 rupees for 15 days. It is for official purpose, so it is exempt. Perquisites. Mrs. Brakha Agarwal is specific employee. His income more than 50,000 rupees. So perquisite is taxable. Payment of telephone bills exempt. Use of department's video camera at the rate of 10% per annum of the cost of camera 4,000 rupees. Payment made by the employer toward the use of credit card 12,000 rupees. Now the total called gross salary 2,35,000 rupees. Less standard deduction list of 40,000 rupees or amount of salary which is less 40,000 rupees. Mrs. Brakha Agarwal is central government employee, so entertainment deduction is allowed. For this, list of 1/5 of salary or 5,000 or actual allowances, whichever is less. It means 5,000 rupees. total deduction is 45,000. Taxable salary is 1,90,000 is. Note, fixed medical allowance is fully taxable. Tour allowance and daily allowance are presumed to have been spent for official work. Hence, these are exempt. She is a government employee and therefore entitled to deduction for entertainment allowance. Thank you.